Yeah, welcome back again to our episode 3, I believe. Now, here I'm going to show you what is the easiest web, what we call text editors that are very simple for us as the beginners of HTML that we need for to simplify our work or to speed up our work. Now, let me show you the bunch of these text editors. Let me say text editors. Now you can see on Google that we have text editor software. Number one, here we have what we call Sublime Text. The latest version of Sublime Text is Sublime Text 3. We have Vim. We also have Atom. We have Notepad++. I mentioned this before. We have brackets, Emacs, Notepad that we have used before. We have BB Edit and Komodo. We have some simple, we have Gidit, we have Bluefish, Geno, V, Text Edit, PSPad. Now I'm not going to read out everything here, but the one I use at most is HTML text editor. It is very simple. Number two, the best one that we use currently right now as I am speaking is what we call Visual Studio. They have not mentioned it here. Visual Studio. We have Visual Studio. Visual Studio. If you go to visualstudio.com, you will easily download it here. And this is the most and supernatural text editor that we use. Now I'm not going to download it because I have it already here. And this is it. The advantages of using this, I will just mention a few of it. Like for example, this page. This is this was the folder that we were working on, and this is the HTML that we did in the notepad. Now within here, it will give you some example of how we use it. Number one, we have our HTML here. For example, in this folder, if I want to create something here, because I have only this one folder, I will need to hover on this and add no file. If I add no file, like for example, indexed, index.css, it will give me the index.css here. If I need to create a folder, I come here, no folder, and within this folder of ours. Now we don't need CSS for now. Now, to create the basic structure without going through those processes that I have shown you before in the notepad, we just shift and exclamation mark in the numeric numbers key number one. It will give you this is called gonna emit abbreviation, and you hit the tab key, enter key on Windows. Here we have some extension. This extension, you need to download some extension for you to start enjoying the advantages of using VS Code. We have emit, what we call emit. This emit will give you everything in a bridge. Like when I type in H, it will give me the list of H from H1, H2, H3 to H6. We also have header, H group, and so on. If I just tap enter, it will give me everything that I need. Heading, simple work. And that is the why I recommend that you use VS Code for your safety for now. So next, I'm going to show you how to create links, how to add images, the basic structure, the basic website. We are going to create it from the beginning. This was what you should do. Download VS Code or text editor, Sublime Text, but use this because it will load. It will load your page without you uh, refreshing it. Let me say my name is Tonic. So if I say open with live server, open with live server. Whenever I add something, it will reload itself there in the browser. Now you can see, let me divide my screen into two. For example, let me add something here. P, let me say Lorem, and we have it there. Instead of you typing and go and open your web browser, reload again. So this will actually simplify your work. It will reload it itself alone, as you can see. Also, we have what we call auto save. Instead for you saving, type save again and open, reload. This will supernaturally save you from doing that. So yours will be typing, see the money reloading itself from there, and so on. So please follow me and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.